Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I got some valves off Amazon that I think are pretty cool. They're going to help me with my project. If you've been watching my other videos, I'm working on a project installing washer and dryer for my mom's tenants to, get done as quick as possible. So I got this off Amazon. I think it's a cool little thing that I got. I mean, you can get these anywhere, but I got them off Amazon. I thought the idea was cool because I don't really work with PEX that much. I'm not like a full plumber. I just, I used to do a lot of plumbing, but not like PEX. Really just copper and PVC. So anyway, so I got this. I don't know if there's a name on here. So this is what I got. It's called two-piece XFITTING half-inch PEX brass and PEX B, or two-pack, whatever. I don't know. I mean, well, hopefully this works fine for whatever PEX. I think it works for whatever PEX. I'm a little scared now. I mean, I think everything works. I think just the PEX is different. So it comes in a two-pack like this, so they are separated. So we got a blue, and we got a, red for hot. They're pretty cool. They feel heavy, heavy enough. I mean, they're PEX fittings. What do you want? This is to have a emergency shutoff downstairs for my mom. So say, in an emergency situation, there's something going on upstairs. She can't get to the upstairs quick enough. She doesn't have the key. I don't know, whatever the case may be. And she sees, whatever water issue, she can come downstairs and, this will be in the ceiling pretty much, or on the wall ceiling. I don't know where I'm going to mount it, but this will be on the ceiling or on the thing, and bam, she could just shut off the water, and then we don't have a problem. So that's the reason why I got it for her, and then I got it red and blue so she sees what's up. So this is made for half-inch. It says lead-free, all that other stuff, half-inch. I got the one that has like a little mounting bracket, which is cool, or I guess they call this a drop ear, or I don't know, whatever they call this. They call this some kind of fitting, drop ear or something like that, or I'm not really the smartest person, but it does come with a mounting bracket, which I think is cool. So it doesn't say that it is that on the package, but so I'm going to be able to drill this into the stud, which I'm really excited about, to show you guys how cool it's going to look and the nice setup that it's going to have for safety. So we'll rip open this one as well. And I want to try to get these installed as quick as possible because I don't want to have the water off for that long. I have to shut the water main off because I found out the valves are broken in the wall that shut off the water over here. So I have to shut off the water main. So here's the cold, same thing, off, on, whatever, same exact thing. So I'm going to probably bolt these already to the ceiling. I'm going to show you where I'm going to put them. So my plan is to, let me lower this so you guys can see what's up. I'll show you after the install. I'm not going to show you how to install them because it's like regular PEX. So I want to have them like this up here. See, I'm sorry, like this will be pretty cool. So I want to have them like this up there, just like that, and then they'll look like, I guess, there you go. Now you can see a little bit better. So but I'm going to put them there, and you guys are going to see. I'm just going to drill them in. It's going to look sexy, and you'll see a little bit of a review of what they look like, how they feel. That's the opening, so you guys can see. It looks like a standard opening. I mean, it's not like looks like it's restricted. Look, see? Looks like a standard opening. So it's not like it's restricted or anything like that. All right, so we're back. We're going to get these valves installed now so I could turn the water back on and check for leaks. All right, so let's get these on. I got rings. I need another... Actually, I only need 2 rings for now because I'm not going to put on the other side. So yeah. Wow, yeah, that pulled it right in, but it didn't even go down to the base, which is okay. So let's get this on. Oh, let's get the other one. We'll just clamp this one on first, so we'll get it out of the way. So let's clamp it on. So that one is, oh, idiot. So we'll put this one on like this. And then we'll Alright guys, so pretty much got it installed. I positioned them this way, and we're going to turn on the water now and check for leaks. So I clamped that, went around there, went in the back, over the ceiling. Oh, can I get over here? Oh shit, no I can't. Alright, I can. Oh, what am I doing? Just lower this, stupid. Alright, so if you saw, I was over here. I don't know if you saw, I don't remember. But anyway, yeah, I started over here, say. So I put it over here. I did Pro Press to PEX ran it over the ceiling, and then yep, I ran it over there. So let's turn it on, check for leaks, and see what's up. Ready? We're gonna turn this water on really slow because you don't want any kind of crazy shit going on, and then we gotta check for all these leaks here. And I guess you'll check with me and hope to God there's no leaks, because then I'll just cry. Alright, so there's no leaks. Sorry that took so long. And that's about it. So that's it for the installation of it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright, well, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. Enjoy. Bye-bye.